Hey everyone, this is Simon with Food Travelers. In this mini episode, we are doing a room tour at the Atlantis Casino Resort Spa located in Reno, Nevada. The hotel is located about a 7-minute drive from the airport, and the hotel does provide a hotel shuttle to and from the airport. And don't forget to support the channel and hit that like and subscribe button. The room is a premier 2-queen bed with about 375 square feet of space and includes free Wi-Fi. We were on the 9th floor, which was about in the middle of the hotel and did provide a decent view. So, as we enter the room layout is your typical hotel type with the bathroom just to the right and the closet just to the left as you enter the door. Inside the bathroom there is a large LED mirror that provides plenty of light. There are 2 sinks, a vanity mirror, your typical toiletries including soap, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion, and a vanity kit. The water has pretty good pressure as well as you turn it on, and the bathroom overall was pretty clean, so I was definitely happy with that. There was definitely more than enough towels that were provided, and of course if you did need more you can have a call down to housekeeping and they will bring some up for you if you needed that. The shower was a standard standing shower with an area that you could sit and had 2 shower heads. One was the raindrop type shower head and the other was one of those handheld sprays. Something interesting there was a linear drain, which I thought was pretty nice since that was kind of more modern than even some other Vegas hotels that we've stayed at that have those kind of typical ordinary round drains. Under the counter, there was additional toilet paper, some towels, a scale, and the hair dryer. So on the other side of the bathroom door was the closet with a kind of your typical size safe, an iron and ironing board, and a good amount of hangers. I've been at some hotels where there's only about maybe 4 hangers that are provided, so it was actually pretty nice to see that there was much more available at this hotel. I also liked that there were 2 luggage racks, as kind of most other hotels only provide just one. Just past the bathroom and the closet is the desk and TV on the left side, and both queen beds on the right. TV was a nice size for the room. One thing I noticed was that there were no snack bars or any alcohol that were for sale like they do at your kind of normal Vegas hotels. All that was really available were complimentary bottled water, the ice bucket to go grab ice, and of course the coffee and tea items that were on the counter space. The fridge was empty, but it definitely had enough space to store any leftover foods or things that you bought that needed to be refrigerated. Near the window, there were 2 chairs and a table. I thought that this area was a little bit tight, especially how they arranged it, as it kind of made going into the chair that was on the inside of the bed a little bit tight to get there. And as you can see, there was pretty much a luggage width of space to slide in and out of that chair, so using it wasn't quite as easy as you would kind of like it to be. In between the 2 beds was the bedside table. I like that there were outlets on each side of the bed, so charging electronics bedside was really nice. You know, especially getting to use one for yourself and whoever's on the other side getting one for themselves as well. Now, as for the view, it was a decent one. Straight ahead, you can see the mountains of the surrounding area around Reno. Right below the room was the outdoor pool and hot tub, which at least at the time we were filming, going down were both drained, and it looked like they were kind of setting it up or maybe kind of putting it away for the winter time as it was getting colder at the time we were there. Just to the left of the outdoor pool section was actually the indoor pool and hot tub. But overall, I really enjoyed the stay here at Atlantis. And if you're in Reno and you're looking for kind of that casino resort vibe, this place would definitely be a good place to stay.
And to support our channel, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the YouTube algorithm. And for more photos, follow us on Instagram. See you guys on the next episode.